this is one in a million chance to be visited by a well-known doctor, my dear students. You know that. Balayang High School is really looking for stakeholders who are going to help us to improve our school. Kaya po, alam niyo po, kami po ay professional beggar po talaga. Ang nakikita niyo pong sawali doon na butas-butas, classroom po yan noon. Butas-butas din po yung mga yero niya dati. Most of our students po dito came from the family na hindi po kaya i-send sila sa bayan para mag-aral. At meron po kaming pangarap sa kanila na sabi ko, pag-graduate ng high school, hindi sila babalik sa bukid. Hindi po sila mamamasukan bilang kasambahay, kundi magpapatuloy pa po sila sa kanilang pag-aaral sa kolehiyo. And we are preparing for that para po sa kanila. I did not know na ganito pala ang condition ninyo. Naka-receive lang ako ng letter, and that's the same letter that I received from other schools. So when I go to the school, so that's the only time that I really see the gravity of the situation that you are on. Because of the current situation, okay, I'm gonna be giving 2 TV and 1 laptop right now. And I will commit $500,000 budget for your building.
10 desktop computers for use by the students.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Dr. Agustin, sa ibinigay niyong suporta dito sa Balayang High School.
Tunay nga po, ang Diyos po ay nagpadala po ng blessing po sa aming pong paaralan at kayo po yung doktora. Salamat po sa bagdan niyo. God bless po.
In the next few years, yung Balayang would be one of the best school in Victoria and in Tarlac. And we hope that the students, aside from being intelligent, kailangan meron kayong mabuting kalooban. Ayun ang gusto ng Panginoon.
Thank you, Dr. Apara! We love you! Woo! Come alive, come alive.